We have seen 430 cases in just the last 14 days. This is alarming. This means that transmission is high within Calhoun County.
The spread of COVID-19 is continuing to take effect throughout Calhoun County. RMC's 2 COVID-19 units are full to capacity, and the hospital is working to open a third COVID unit that will have the capacity to hold between 14 and 16 patients. The Unified Command in Calhoun County held a press conference moments ago to provide a countywide update on the current COVID-19 numbers. During that news conference, the Calhoun County Sheriff's Office confirmed its first inmate to test positive for the virus. The Unified Command continues to plead with the community to do its part to help slow the spread of the coronavirus. Sheriff Matthew Wade says that his office has gone to every extent to keep the virus out of the jail, but with the virus spreading so quickly, it was only a matter of time before someone tested positive.
We had some reserve deputies who went to Florida to retrieve an inmate from a Florida prison to bring them back to our jail to face charges. Later in the week, those reserve deputies became ill. We discovered that they were positive on Friday. We pulled the inmate on Friday, had him tested, and now we have our first confirmed positive of COVID-19 in the Calhoun County Jail.
Sheriff Wade says that inmate is in quarantine, and other officers who came into contact with the inmate are now being tested. To date, 4 deputies have tested positive for the virus, and several others are awaiting test results. Locally, the hospitals are battling at near capacity for their patients, with not enough staff members to handle the load.
As we extubate, we intubate. As we discharge, we admit. We admit, then we discharge. We're working very diligently with all of the doctors, every single one, to help us get patients in, treat them appropriately as it's time for discharge to discharge. Our nursing capability, as everybody's been stating, is very stressed. If there are any nurses in the community that are retired or have been furloughed or have worked in New York or any of the other hotspots, we need you. We need you badly.
Currently, the Alabama Department of Public Health has reported 814 COVID-19 cases and 6 deaths in Calhoun County.